Alright, we got a palette. These are definitely in different order. They definitely came from a different distributor.
That's weird. They came in a different order?
Yeah.
Wow.
And the packs are actually harder to open than the other packs. So,
Oh, so the finish line. Okay.
so like, if you look at them, even, like, they look different.
They do.
They're definitely different. Like, look, this pack
Yeah.
has a different
riveting. Yeah.
Yep, for sure. They were. This is definitely harder to open.
You just want me, I'm just sorting. You just want me to keep sorting?
Yeah, you can definitely sort them together. It's fine.
Make better.
Look, here we go. We got the Insect Druid legendary creature, the Emerald Radion, Actec. When it enters, create a 1/1 green insect creature token for each artifact and or creature card in your graveyard. Whenever another insect you control dies, put a 1/1 counter on it. Each opponent loses 1 life. So those two.
That's sick.
What are you doing with the rares? Are the rares just in here?
I'll pull them to the top.
Okay. Yeah.
They're easy to pull to the top. They all have the little.
I know. That's just.
Yeah, they're on. So I'm just sorting
I get it.
like a machine.
Like a machine.
No emotional attachment.
Of course not.
I don't see rarity.
No, we're just throwing $30 cards in the.
We're just putting them into piles.
That's right.
They're useless until they're put together.
Any number of target players each mill 2 cards. Huh.
Yeah.
I like the old 9/7 vanilla card.
We have target players base. Exhausted. Any number of target players means cards equal to the number of cards in their graveyard. Now you're talking. So you exhaust this shit once they have a whole bunch. Once you've milled them out.
Oh, here we go. We got a signed art card. We got that same. I got the same human palette that you had during the.
Oh, that guy's cool.
Yeah, he's really cool. Ooh, I like this card. Serpent Seeker, Flying Death Touch 1/1 for 2.
Not bad.
Alright. We only got one more of the clay boosters from this one, and then we're on to the
this guy
box
is
topper.
awesome.
And the
Mounts and vehicles you control have haste.
yeah.
Yeah. Whenever a mount you control enters, it becomes saddled until end of turn. That means immediately everybody can attack. All the vehicles, all the saddles.
Well, that's good.
I think I would like to put that guy. Oh, what is this? A wretched doll? That's cool. Is he Scorpion? I can't remember.
Alright, here we go, last one. Last regular pack, anyways. Bright glass gear Hulk. It's really good. You know, I didn't have any 2 rare packs out of these, but the other one I had like 3 or 4 2 rare packs. I might have to look back at the footage to see. But alright, we'll do the box topper before we do the collector boosters.
I'm just pulling the cereals to the pack.
We're not going to do the collector boosters of the next pack, but we'll do these two. We got the planes and the Aegon dinosaur. Look at how awesome this is.
Oh, wow.
This is a dinosaur. Yeah. An 8/8 with trample for 5. When you cycle this card, put 2+1/+1 counters on up to 1 target creature or vehicle. It gains indestructible to end of turn. So even its cycling is really good. Alright, time for the collector booster. Don't sort these for me. Don't sort that yet.
Oh, that's the box topper?
Yep.
Oh, there's 2?
Yep.
So is that the same as the other? It's not. It's different.
Yeah, it's different.
Look at that. It is different. Show that. So this is the box topper?
Uh-huh.
This is the one that came...
It's like a different quality. Like these are...
Different picture, different quality.
I like these better, honestly.
So that one's the box topper.
Yeah, I also put those 5 lands over here with this one. And sorry, the Rex when you get done with it. Alright. Okay, we got the nice shiny vehicle. We got the Mendicant Core Godlight is equal to the number of artifact vehicles you control. Really nice. Redshift Rocket Chief. Ooh, we got another one. Guardian Sunmare. We got one of these earlier, but this one's also obviously way better. That's just such a pretty card. Wow. Right, you can sort those. I don't want those. Alright. Oh, look at that insect token. Wow. No way. I gotta I got a Japanese Radiant Lotus. This is
Whoa.
this definitely paid for everything in the boxes. Holy crap. We need to look that up. The Japanese
Hold on.
full art Radiant Lotus. Holy crap. Mimoplasm. Oh my goodness. Oh man.
Oh, the rubber blades.
Oh my goodness. What a good pack. We're gonna go ahead and look it up real quick. Hold on,
I don't have my phone on.
I'm gonna look it up. Alright, give me a second.
So that came out of the collector booster, right?
Yeah.
The second one?
Yeah.
Didn't Micah say? No. No. No.
So this is the no way $370. Let's go. Oh my goodness. We gotta put that in the binder right now. Holy crap.
Gotta get the $370 card in the sleeve.
Look at it. It's right there by itself. Oop. Smack the card. By itself on its own page. I need to take a little bit of a break. Holy crap. That was awesome. We'll be right back.